So as you can see, the very first thing I've done is I've taken a center section down the middle back, divided the left side from the right side, and then I've taken two A-line sections where I am now establishing the outline. Basically, I'm cutting in the length / outline. So I've got the rest of the hair clipped away, but from here I'm just basically combing down the section with my comb and then using my scissors to establish the outline or length that we are going for. Now, once I have completed cutting in the bob, I will then go ahead and put some layers into the haircut. As you can see, I'm taking another section, working my way up, combing this hair straight down, using the previous section that I've already cut underneath as my guide. As you can see, when I comb the hair down, you can see through this section the actual previous section, so I know exactly how to go about cutting the current section. I can see the underneath to cut the current the same length as the underneath. Alright, so now I've taken my next section on the left side, and I'm basically going to just continue to do this all the way up the head. So I started down, closer by the neck, working my way up, taking A-line sections. There I go, taking another section, combing that section down. I use the underneath as my guide, and I'm just going to carry on and do this with all of the hair until I've cut all of the hair the length that I want to. So right now, I'm working on the left side. I'm going to execute and wrap up the left side, and then I'm going to cut the right side, and once I'm done cutting the right side, we'll have established our bob, our outline, our length, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll get into the layering. Alright, so now that we've cut the outline in the back, it is time to cut the outline on the left side. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down, holding the hair in my comb, and then basically just using the scissors to cut in the left side outline. So here we go again, combing the hair straight down. Here we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait again. Okay, actually I'm cutting the outline in the back first. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down, holding it through my comb, and now here we go, combing the hair on the left side. Here we go, and holding the hair there with my comb and just cutting with my scissors. I'm using the section underneath as my guide, like usual, to establish that outline on the left side. I'm going to then do the exact same thing on the right side. So as you can see right here, I'm now going to carry on with the right side to get the right side all done, combing the hair straight down. Gonna do the same thing, not a whole lot to explain here because I've already explained it. So I will stay quiet until it's time to do the layering. So it is now time to cut the layers. As you can see, I've taken a center section in the middle back and I'm combing it straight back, holding it through my fingers, and get ready. There I go. I cut in the layers. I'm doing some square layers right here just so that the haircut can have a little bit more volume. By adding these layers, it makes it a little bit lighter, which will make it a little bit fuller, which of course will basically give the hair a little bit more volume. So I'm going to work the layers on the left side, combing the hair straight back, but slightly over directing it to the previous section. The previous section, again, as always, is your guide to the current section that you're cutting. Once I've cut the layers on the left side, I will then do the layers on the right side, and then it'll be time to blow dry, cross check, and we will be all done. So the layers on the left side are done. As you can see, I'm taking a section now on the right side, combing the hair straight back, over directing it to the middle section, which was the first section that we did in our layering, which was the guide for the rest of the layers. And I'm basically going to work my layers throughout the right side. Once I'm done with the layers on the right side, we will blow dry the hair, get it cross-checked, and then take a peek after it's all done. Alright, so we've blew dry the hair already. What I'm doing is now I'm strengthening up the outline. So as you can see, I'm tilting my client's head down so that the graduation that comes out from the underneath sticks out. And at that point I can go through, chip in that graduation, or I should say chip out that graduation, so we get a nice clean precision outline throughout the bob. Now you can also see how the layers are laying there in the back. We did some long layers, nothing crazy, nothing short, but those long layers are going to give the hair a lot more lightness so that, again, my client can get a lot more volume. So we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments in regards to the outline or the layers, please don't be afraid to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.